For example, like I asked it today kasi it's a Monday and then I asked those things. Do I ask it again tomorrow?
I do it with the kids.
Kaya nga
And
eh.
there's a different answer every day.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
why saludo ako sa pagiging mom. Ganon. Kasi nga,
Every bedtime, hindi ko nakakalimutan, minsan nakakalimutan ko pero I try to do it every day.
mm,
I ask them what made you happy today or what's your favorite part of the day. So, para alam ko kung anong pwede kong ulitin bukas para maging satisfied sila or ulitin ko some other time para maging ganun ulit yung feeling nila. And most of the time, pareho yung sagot nila eh. Playing with us,
yeah, yeah. Spending
spending
time.
time, eating together, ganyan.
Oo.
Eating potato corner, ganyan. At i-beep mo na lang yung mga product
Oo nga, oo
placements.
nga. Hindi, okay lang naman eh. Okay lang naman. No?
Ayun.
Ayun. So, hindi, yeah, tama, tama. Ano lang talaga, like, it's so hard siguro kasi nga hindi ako lumaking ganun.
I
Na,
didn't as well.
kaya nga
I
eh.
grew up in a household na no one talks, no one says sorry, no one says thank you.
Mapanood nila
So,
to.
shout out sa family ko. Well, alam naman nila yun.
Uh,
Well, they're trying to change it now. Parang
yeah,
narinig ko na nagsasorry,
yeah.
nag-thank you, nag-I love you na. Parang medyo awkward nga for me, pero I tried then
Mm.
to say it back. Pero it's a good step forward, di ba? Parang ang dami na rin nilang natutunan along the years. Ganun.
Oo.
So very grateful din ako doon. Although minsan talaga sobrang awkward na parang nag-I love you sila. Parang, okay, I love you.
It's really
Pero
hard, no? Kasi nga yung mga
pag hindi
parents
ka
before,
sanay, yeah.
oo, parents before, parang kami yung batas.
More on service kasi talaga yung mga parents before. Yung pag
Yeah,
ibihan ka nila, pag luto ka nila,
yeah, yeah.
ihatid ka nila sa school. Yun yung way nila to show their love eh. Hindi sila affectionate. Ganyan.
And I think like, ako personally that I was sharing with you, di ba? Service din yung default ko. Kasi yun din siguro nakita ko sa parents ko. So, and I thought that's enough. So guys, if you're watching, sa mga nanonood,
That's
I thought that's
why
enough.
there are five.
Yeah, I know. I know. So, and yun nga, di ba parang ay, matino naman, alam ko inaayos ko naman lahat, and I get frustrated, no? Kasi nga parang hindi pa rin enough yung mga ginagawa ko and all. But again, reklamo to in a way, but ilang beses namin ito napag-usapan. Kaya nga I think maraming matututo sa mga gantong experiences natin na I'm having an open mind in terms of what you're sharing to me and telling me. And again, I'm telling you that it's really challenging kasi nga ikaw nga, 'di ba, hindi mo 'yun kinalakihan. Lalo na siguro ako, 'di ba? I didn't see my dad asking that to my mom and even to me. 'Di ba? So,
And you saw them not talking kasi
oo nga eh.
to each
Oo,
other
oo
for
nga.
a long time
Kaya nga, kaya nga.
until they got their separate lives.
Yeah. Yun. So,
So, yun yung naging, ano mo, parang pattern. So,
uh,
ito yung pina-follow mong pattern kasi nga, feeling mo yun yung normal, which is not.
yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
Eh ako, nasanay ako sa family ko na laging magkasama sila mama at si papa.
Tama.
Every day. Talagang 24/7 kasama sa work.
Parang
Kasama
di ko
sila sa
kaya yun,
work.
laging magkasama 24/7.
Kasi hindi ko sila nakita nag-away. I mean, nag-away sila minsan. Parang the biggest fight that I've seen sa kanila when I was still, 4 years old.
Mm.
So, nagsagutan sila, parang mahinagis pang electric fan. But that was it. Hindi na naulit. Parang
So,
napag-usapan
natuto na
nila.
sila na
Natuto sila
pag-usapan.
agad doon. Napag-usapan nila, we
Uh,
shouldn't do that. Parang do
mm.
that. Parang gano'n. So, after that, hindi na namin sila nakitang nag-away ever. Ay, nag-away sila, pero hindi sila yung nagsasagutan in our presence. Ng
Mm.
harapan namin, ganyan. So,
Mm.
ayun.
Mm. Ayun nga. So, again, I think it's very challenging, but it's good that I think I keep an open mind. Naka-attend ako ng mga different seminars, training, ganyan, nakapanood probably ng videos. So, I begin to understand na iba ka sa akin. So it doesn't mean my way, even though I think that's the best way, is the only way. All right? So I try to understand kung ano yung gusto mo, do my best, and hopefully meet in the middle, di ba? So although alam ko iniisip mo what you think and what you want is the best way. All right? Pero,
Well,
uh,
what I think is the best
mm,
for our family, lalo na sa mga bata. Kasi ayoko silang lumaki na maging awkward nga na mag-spend ng time with us.
Tama.
Ganon. Just like, sometimes sa atin,
Mm.
sa family natin, diba, parang mag-i-invite minsan, parang, tama na, parang
Yeah,
ganyan.
yeah.
So, ayoko yon mangyari sa kanila.
So gusto mo
Sa
excited
atin.
sila lagi
Gusto ko
pag
excited sila or sila yung magpupusang pumunta na, Mami, we're gonna go to your house. Or can we
Yeah.
go to your house? So, hindi yung, uy, punta naman kayo dito.
Yeah,
Ganyan.
yeah.
So, or once a year lang magpakita.
Mm.
Ganyan.